Hi, I am still doing this welding stuff. These holes probably could be very sufficiently just filled with seam sealer in these corners, but me being the way I am, when I see gaps and air holes and stuff on between spot welds, I don't like it. So that means I have to weld it in. Now I'm going to try bronzing this once I get these little rods kind of tacked in place. Well, I guess I'd be bronzing it if I could stop steel welding, but the thing I like about the steel welding is as you go, you're done. When with the bronze, you've got to go back and forth because it doesn't like gaps and holes. So if you're trying to fill a gap or a hole, you kind of have to keep the heat going, and you have to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and it keeps bridging the gaps, so it makes it kind of hard. Now, if you got gravity on your side, sometimes you can bridge it pretty good, and it fills right in just like a flood and works good. There, I'll go to the bronze now. I know I have a lot more bronze rods than I do steel rods. But those paint can hangers handles work good. They melt just like a welding rod. even with them galvanized. The galvanized only lasts a few seconds. It floats off in the air. Okay, up here I bronzed all this, so I got a spot down here I had to hammer a little bit. I'll see if I can fill it in. And okay, right up here. One thing about the bronze, if you have a spot that it keeps bridging, just go to another spot and come back in a few minutes when it's cold, and then heat up that hole and the bronze goes right in. But when the whole area around the outside is hot, it'll suck the bronze away, and it's almost impossible to fill that hole until you cool it off around the edge. And then it works, and then go back and it works good. Okay, so yeah, that's right up around the corner. I have kind of a issue down in here, but that's later. Anyway, I welded. I'll see if I can get the camera up in here. There, I welded right completely, right ahead to the back seat area. I had a couple fires I had to stop and kind of put out, but wasn't too bad. But it wasn't a very nice spot. Wasn't a very nice spot at all. But anyway, that's. I got. Ooh. Yeah, terrible stuff. So anyway, this side is totally welded up. It, as I said, up in there is I got it welded, but it's a little bit sloppy, but no holes. So anyway, other than this body mount, and I noticed a little tiny hole right here I had to do. This side is done, and I still have to do that side. And my new hubcaps came in. There's 5 of them, and they're 65 years old. Anyway, they have this edge on them that they hammer on the same as a normal hubcap. I was under the impression 57 Oldsmobiles had special clips and special rims with no clips on the hubcaps. But maybe it's the higher end ones, because some of them have like a star on them that goes out here, like a traditional thing. But anyway, there's 5 of them, and they'll be going on the car when I'm done. So I'm quite pleased with all that. And that kind of bothered me up there, and I didn't want to fill the hole in with tar. But anyway, it's all welded in now. And I kind of have my closure that I've been after. And it looks exactly the same in here. Nothing's changed. At all. But it's all welded up, and the tar that was up in the wheel well was mostly from here over towards the rubber. On the trunk side, a lot of it had, by the time I chipped away and stuff, I had most of that gone. So I'll show you right up in here. You can sort of see right up in there, the tire all hovers towards the quarter panel where I put my rivets, and I'll have to clean up my mess down there and seal. Oh, it goes this way. Yeah, a little bit. I'll have to stick the vacuum cleaner down there and get that. But anyway, yep, that there. I feel I was I feel better now. So anyway, yep, dirty job. Can't wear a hat down in there. My hat is too big. I'd have to have like one of those little doinky hats. Anyway, you guys, see you later. Bye.